Yes, exercise 8.1. Question number 10. Question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. Right angle at Q. PR plus QR 25 centimeter given in the question. Okay, and PQ is also given, that is 5 centimeter. PQ is, that is 5 centimeter, that is given. And determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. It means your angle is P. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, now PQ 5 centimeter is given. Yes. Sum of PR plus QR is given. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Have you any idea to solve these questions?
Yes, sir. By using Pythagoras theorem and then using a square minus b square.
Yes, Swasti. Yes. As you know that PR plus QR 25 centimeter is given. Sum of two sides is given. First of all, we will consider that QR is x centimeter. We are considering that QR is x centimeter. Let QR equal to x centimeter. Just Pragati, if PR we have to find out plus, that is x, that is 25 centimeter. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Now PR is equal to 25 minus x centimeter. That is 25 minus x centimeter. 25 minus x.
Now we will do it by Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, 25 minus x centimeter. Okay. Any doubt, any problems? Now we will apply Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle. As you know that in we will apply the Pythagoras theorem in only right angle triangles. In right angle triangles, PQR. According to Pythagoras theorem, we get. According to Pythagoras theorem, we get. Yeah, Pythagoras theorem is, that is hypotenuse square, perpendicular square plus base square. Now what is your hypotenuse? Hypotenuse your PR.
PR.
And perpendicular is QR square.
QR.
Your base is
PR. PQ square.
PQ square. Yes. What is your PR? 25 minus x. And QR is and that is 5 square. Yes. A minus b whole square.
Yes, sir. A square
Plus b square minus 2ab.
Yes.
Okay. Now it becomes x square plus the square of 5 is 25.
25.
Okay. Now square of 25 is
Yes.
square of 25 is
It's 25. It's 25.
yes x square 25 to the 50x, that is x square plus 25. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
X square to x square cancel out. Okay.
50x is equal to 600.
Okay. Now 625 minus 25 is equal to 50x. It becomes 600
Yes, sir. Now
divided by 50.
600 equals to x.
40.
That is 12 5 is 60. X is the 12 centimeter. X
Then
is 12.
PR is 13 centimeters.
X is 12 centimeter. Therefore, what is x? X QR is 12 centimeter.
Yes, sir. And we are putting on 25.
Yes, yes. QR is your 12 centimeter. And PR 25 minus 13 centimeter. And your PR 25 minus x centimeter. 25 minus x. Oh, sorry. What is x? What is the value of x? Value of x is 12 centimeter. So it becomes 13 centimeter. Okay. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
No.
Now that is 13 centimeter. It becomes 13 centimeter. Yes. All the three sides of right angle triangle now we are to be known. Yes. अब हमें क्या है, ट्रायंगल की तीन साइड जो है पता लग गया कि ट्रायंगल की तीन साइड क्या है. ओके.
Sin P.
Sin P, cos P and tan P. Yes, please tell me what is sin P.
Perpendicular and
What is perpendicular?
QR upon
Yes, QR upon PR. What is QR? 12 by.
10 upon 13.
Yeah, very good. Now next is your cos P. Cos P. Base upon में base upon hypotenuse. Base upon PQ upon PR. 5 upon 5.30. And next is your tan P.
That will be 2.5.
Perpendicular base.
What is your perpendicular?
12 upon 5.
You are upon P.
QR upon PQ.
Yeah.
12 upon 5. 12 upon 5. Any doubt, any problems up to here?
No, sir. No, sir.
किसी स्टूडेंट को कोई डाउट का प्रॉब्लम इस एक्सरसाइज में? एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स?
Sir, which part is deleted in this trigonometry?
Complementary angle, perhaps. It is a Cartesian plane. Okay, that is 0 degree, that is your 90 degree, that is your 180 degree, that is your 270 degree, and this is your 360 degree. Okay, any problems?
Yes.
That is your first quadrant, that is your second quadrant, that is your third quadrant, and that is your fourth quadrant. Okay? Yes.
Yes, sir.
All school to college. Wait. All school to college. All means क्या होता है? All trigonometric ratios are positive. Positive in first quadrant. All trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios क्या है? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, as well as cot theta, all positive in first quadrant. Okay? All trigonometric ratios.
Yes, sir.
Trigonometric ratios. Okay? I want to tell you that in 10th standard only first quadrant is given. We have to discuss about only first quadrant, but your knowledge I want to tell you that in second quadrant sin theta and cosec theta है, sin theta and cosec theta, and in third quadrant tan theta and cot theta lie, and in fourth quadrant cos theta and sec theta lie. In second quadrant sin theta cos theta will positive, remaining four trigonometric ratios will be negative. Okay? In third quadrant tan theta and cot theta will be positive, remaining four trigonometric ratios will be negative. In fourth quadrant cos theta and sec theta will be positive, remaining four trigonometric ratios will be negative. But in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios will be positive. पॉजिटिव. तो आपके पास जो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में वैल्यू मिलेगी, यहाँ पे 0 to 90 के पीछे जो वैल्यू मिलेगी उसे पॉजिटिव मिलेगा. ओके? आपके पास स्टैंडर्ड एंगल कौन कौन से होते हैं? स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स. यहाँ पे देखिए कुछ स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स हैं, उसे पढ़ेंगे.
0,
स्टैंडर्ड एंगल यहाँ पे 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री. आपके पास अभी हम इनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री या 90 डिग्री. ओके?
Okay, sir.
यस. यस.
So repeat this one more time.
What happens?
So repeat this one more time.
Repeat it. यस.
Yes, sir.
इसको रिपीट करना है एक बार. Swasti, what happens? Swasti,
Yes sir, मुझे
ये 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री, ये या इसके बारे में बात बोल रहे हो आप?
these are the patterns.
That is quadrant.
Yes.
About the quadrant. Yes. In first quadrant, that is 0 to 90 degree, all trigonometric ratios will be positive. All trigonometric ratios will be positive. And in table given in the book, the table given in the book, you are observing that all the values given in the table will be positive values. Check the tables. Page number, that is page number 185. You are observing here that all the trigonometric values in first quadrant have positive values. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
You have not studied about second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. We will study in second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant in the next class. That is 11th class. Okay?
Okay sir.
Yes. Okay. Yes, students. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Ratios of some specific angles. First of all, I will try to understand you the shortcut trick. How can we learn the table? Okay. After that, we will solve it. Derivation of trigonometric ratios of 45 degree, derivation of trigonometric ratios of 30 degree, 60 degree, and derivation of trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Later we will derive it. Okay. So first I want to tell you that what is the shortcut trick to learn the table. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is your standard angles. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree. That is your 90 degree. Okay. Yes. It is your theta. Theta means sin theta. I am taking first of all sin theta. Okay. Now I am writing such as that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any doubt, any problems? No. Yes. What do you want to ask?
Yes, sir. Why you have written 0, 1, 2, 3?
That is a trick. How can we prepare the tables? Okay. I want to tell you the trick.
Sir, I know that trick.
Okay, very good. जिसको पता है वो ध्यान से सुनते रहिए, जिसको नहीं पता वो देखते रहिए. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. First of all, we write the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
All the number divided by 4. Any problems?
No, sir. हम इसे कोर्स के वेट कर रहे हैं.
ये ट्रिक है, ये याद करने की ट्रिक है. हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? Okay. Now we will square root of both the values, all the values. पढ़ते क्या किया हमने इसमें? First of all क्या किया हमने इसमें? Please tell me.
Sir, firstly we have written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have divided it into root of.
Divide all the values by 4, and after that we will take the square root of yes. Srini Pradhan, 0 divided by 4. Yes, please tell me.
Sir, not defined. Sir, it's not defined.
Yeah, wait. Yes. Kashish Dwivedi, 0 divided by 4.
Yes, sir.
What? 0 divided by 4. What will be the answer?
0, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Digvijay Singh.
Yes, sir.
0 divided by
Yes,
4
sir.
and 4 divided by 0. 0 divided by 4, answer will be, and 4 divided by 0, answer will be. Please tell me.
So 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. 4 divided by 0 is equal to 4.
Eh? 4 divided by 1 is? What are you saying?
4.
And 4 divided by 0?
That's 4.
And 4 divided by 0 is?
4 divided by 4. 4.
What are you saying? 4 divided by 0, 4. 4 divided by 1, 4. Yes. 4 divided by 0.
They're not defined.
Yes, not defined. Very good. Not defined. Its symbol is such as not defined. Okay. And 4 divided by 1. All of you know that is 4.
As in
Yes. If any number, if 0 is divided by any number,
will be 0, sir.
that is result will be 0. Okay, yaad rakhna is cheez ko. If any number divided by 0, that is not defined. Okay.
Not yet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the main thing is that 0 never comes in denominator, and if it comes in the final, it's not.
Not defined. Yes. Now please tell me the 0 divided by 4, as you know that is 0. Okay. 0
Yes.
and square root of 1 is
1.
1 and square root of 4 is 2. Okay. Yes. Okay, very good. Now it becomes root 2 by root 4. Can I written as?
Yes, sir. Root 2 by
Yes. Root
1 root 2.
yes. And square root of 4 is 2. It can be written as root 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Any problem, any doubt?
Root 2 into root.
And 1 to 1 cancel, and it becomes 1 upon root.
1 upon root.
Okay. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Please note down it. इसको नोट कीजिए जल्दी से. Yes.
Tutorial.
Okay. Next is your root 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Next is your square root of 1 is 1.
1.
Any doubt, any problems?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. May I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera.
दो बच्चों का नाम लीजिए सर हर्ष मिश्रा पंकज पाल
Harsh Mishra and Pankaj Bahal, please switch on your camera.
प्रेजेंट नहीं है सर बस ये पढ़ा देते हैं
Now it is your theta, sin theta. Okay, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree.
And that.
As you know,
श्रेयांश
Shreyansh,
स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा